Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Spicy C, and today here I'm going to tell you a video based on online shopping which is most famous, that is Flipkart. So sale is live today, that's why I am live today. So here you can see sale is live, that's for Plus members from Flipkart. I am a Plus member, that's why I am live. So for non-Plus members, the sale will be from 19th of November morning. So this is a big sale that is happening right now, big budget demand, which you can buy a lots of items, women's bras, foundations in your makeup, men's t-shirt, and you can have a lot of savings on clothing, watches, home cookware, and also fashionable bikes that you like, also pillow covers, and lots more. So here you can see there are loads of discount and prices that will be available for everyone, for all of us. So don't forget to log into Flipkart and grab the best out of it, since there's a great offer today. And also after Flipkart, I have another shopping app which is also famous, that is Clovia. Now Clovia is the biggest brand, as we all know, especially for women. That's the reason I'm putting up this video, since it's based on online shopping. So here it is. There's a bridal sale, and especially why I want to show you, there's a non-padded bra at 189 rupees. Normally padded bras, Clovia non-padded bras are always costing 378. You can see where the charges has been lowered down to 189 rupees. So you can buy a bra within the range of 189. Also a nightwear suit which is 649. There are a lot of night suits, t-shirts, clothing available by this brand Clovia, and the prices have dropped down very vast. So you have loads of shopping to do on Clovia website as well. This is a Clovia app I'm using, and this app is especially for women. Also you can see there's something available in sports, fancy, and there is all outdoor, indoors, a lot of shopping on Clovia. I'll come back to the main page. And also if bridal wear, you can see padded bras at 349, active sportswear from 299, and also top and pajama sets for 649. So these are the discounts going on in the Clovia app. Also on beauty care, face care, hair care, all the products which Clovia is selling, it's on a wide range and with a lower price. So make the best of it to grab it now and don't miss on this offer. And this is a bridal wear, so bridal innerwears for women. These are the choices, non-padded bras. There are so many varieties on the Clovia app. You can see your shorts, kaftans, strappy briefs. These are a lot more. Baby doll suits, sleepwear. Also if you want something in red and black, here you can see these sleep bottoms, top and pajamas. So these are the best sellers of Clovia. Now the next app that I'm going to is Myntra. This is another shopping app where there's a huge discount going on. The sale is live. The net is a bit slow, so you can see 18th of November to 20th there's a grand garage sale by Roadster. So make the best out of it by Vero Moda. All these brands, there's a huge discount on these brands on winter wear. You can see the new upcoming sale on Raspberry, Tokyo Toki, sweatshirts, Safars, Mango. These lovely brands which are best choices, so make the most out of it to grab them. Calvin Kelvin for men, women. Also you have discounts on lingerie, women jeans, kurtas, makeups, and a lot more. So you can see 80% of who would not want to buy them. So make the best out of it and grab in a good sale. After this video I'm going to buy a lot of them. So these are the categories. You have winter wear, jewelry, kurta sets, jackets. So a lot of items for women and for men, t-shirts, winter wear, watches, okay, men's innerwear, bottoms, a lot of varieties on Myntra. Okay, if you want a lot to shop more, you can see there are dresses starting from 899, saris from 999. There are huge discounts going on makeups and also on daily products. So these are the famous brands: Vishud, Only, Forever 21, Levis, Cucumber for kids, where there are loads of discounts going on. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. And the last but not the least, the biggest brand, which is Amazon. Let's see what's happening on Amazon. Okay, Amazon, you're told there is an offer, but it will be, let's see, headset, and for women there will be an offer. So you can just something that is going to come out on mobile phones or men's brand. Okay, so you can buy these products from Amazon: Horlicks, regular daily use products, and also there's an offer on baby products and pet supplies if you like any toys or something for your pet food. So you can buy all these from Amazon and make the most out of it. You can watch this video. So guys, these are all the things happening on the online site right now. So I hope you make the best out of it. There's a huge offer going on Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra and Clovia. So don't, if you like this video, I hope you share it. And guys, those who have subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much for sharing, giving me your good support, and I would like if you would still continue to show the same support and love for me. I hope you like this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.